Welcome back to the episode 2 of the Wet Week series by Nonsense Media. Join the Nonsense Cult. So, the gentleman that I'm going to introduce to you today is someone who's not just impressed us with his career achievements but also with his personal attributes. Success is the word that drives us all, but this can be very, very deceiving sometimes. It can make or break people. Maintaining a balance between personal and professional front is something that many people struggle at. But talking about our protagonist today, Bhavnesh Sahni has set an example for being one of the most compassionate people that you can come across. He rejoices life to the fullest. He loves to travel. He's a complete voyager, a big foodie, and a typical Punjabi boy who's been brought up in the heart of Mumbai. With an extensive experience in weddings for handling turnkey projects for the last 8-9 years, he and his counterpart, Farid, decided to give their wedding experience a new mood by starting FB Celebrations. They further contribute in many ways to the wedding industry. Thank you so much. And before I end this all, I want to sing a little song to you since this is your birthday eve. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bhavnesh. Happy birthday to you.
Hello everybody, this is Bhavnesh Sahni from FB Celebrations. I'd like to share a little about myself. First, let me talk about my childhood and where I grew up. I grew up in South Mumbai and studied in GD Somani Memorial School. Here, we had a wonderful set of friends and a beautiful neighborhood, and life was truly wonderful. After that, I got into the family business and was forced to go, like every Punjabi household boy, into working with the father and the brothers. It was something I enjoyed for a while, but I knew it was not my passion and it was not exciting me the way I would expect work to excite me. But I continued doing it for the longest time. I love traveling, and for me, seeing the world was the most important thing. I was fortunate enough to travel to almost all the continents in the world and see how beautiful life is and can be outside our own lovely country. So after 20 years of working with my brothers and father, it was a time where the family decided that one brother takes over the business and the others get their share and move on. It was a time which was exciting and also scary for me, because after working for 20 years with the family business, suddenly I was told to think and do something new. It was a time to take a sabbatical. I actually took a year off and did nothing. I traveled the world. My partner was already into event planning, and I decided to work and be alongside him for a while to see how it works for me. For me, it was my total calling because it was something I loved doing. From the beginning, I was a great planner and I loved hosting events at home, doing parties, etc. So for me, this came so easily. I got into wedding planning and social events, which was something completely new and magical for me. The adrenaline that I felt when events were happening live, or when the wedding ceremonies were happening, or when the barat was coming, was absolutely incredible. So I want to tell everybody here today that it's not about when the calling comes. It will come. It does not matter at what age. It could come to you at 20, it will come to you at 30, it will come to you at 40. But don't give up, because when you work and it is a passionate what you do, then it's not work. It's something which is from inside you and will just take you to give you that kind of satisfaction which nothing can do and nothing can give you. I know we're all going through a difficult time right now, but I would like to take this opportunity to tell everyone that there's always a silver lining. This is a time to look at opportunity in the crisis. Look at the time we have to spend with our near and dear ones. There's always a skill we wanted to learn or something new which we never had time to do. Take this time and do that. Elevate your skills in what you're doing right now and what you'd like to do in future where work is concerned. This is the time to be positive, to give, and just hope that this all ends very soon for all of us. Please remember, after winter always comes spring. So we need to wait for that, and I'm sure spring will come for all of us. Don't be disheartened. This is the time to actually be with yourself, for your loved ones, and this too shall pass. I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate Nonsense for this wonderful campaign they've started, and I wish them all the best. They are a wonderful team, and I so look forward to working with them again and very soon. All the best, guys.